Okay, so today I'm going to show you two tapings. I'm going to show you how to do a kneecap taping for patellofemoral or kneecap to thigh pain. And then I'm going to come and show you how to do an ankle taping. And the ankle taping will be a little bit condensed if you're doing trail running and don't need as much tape, or this will be our outcome for an ankle that may be a bit sore and you're trying to play football or basketball or a change of direction sport on it. So generally what we do is we use some under wrap first. If you put the brown directly on your skin, it will generally irritate your skin. What we're looking for is a leg out straight with quads relaxed, so you'll generally either do it sitting up resting like this when you do it yourself at home, or you can do it with your leg out resting on a chair and your kneecap nice and relaxed. What we're actually looking for is usually we're trying to get a little bit of an inwards glide of your kneecap. So what you need to be really specific on is finding top and bottom and inside and outside of the kneecap. You're going to get your white tape, which just acts as a protective layer. So get your little bit of white tape, find top and bottom of the kneecap, and the white tape just goes basically directly over the top of that kneecap. So top, bottom. So we pop the white tape as a protective layer. It doesn't get pulled or pushed, it gets laid on the skin. So we're right over the top. If you bring the tape too low, you may push this bottom edge of your kneecap into the little tissues below it, which may make it more irritable. So be careful you don't come too low. Then you're going to get your brown tape, and what you're actually going to do, so with the brown tape it's really important that you find this outside edge of your kneecap. You're going to pop the brown tape right on that outside edge, glide your kneecap inwards, and then if you just anchor the tape down, you don't have to pull or push too hard. And what you'll see is we get this little bit of puckering skin, which is perfect. I generally like to put 2 bits of this brown on. So I'll get, again, find that outside edge of the kneecap, anchor it on, glide across, and that'll be nice and firm. If you then just hold down each ends of the tape, bend your knee up please, Ellie, and straighten out, just to anchor it down while you're moving and straighten out. Then that should last you generally for your everyday type activities. If you were going to try riding, for example, or playing activity, especially in Gold Coast weather where you get a bit sweaty, what we'll often do is either substitute the brown for some of the elastic, or if you was riding with this, just to hold the other tape on, we might get our elastic tape. Whenever you use any elastic tape, you need to just make sure you round off the edges. So I'd actually do that on both sides. You're going to apply the tape. Again, for the elastic stuff, just apply it on the skin, don't pull or push. Then you can apply a little bit of stretch to help hold it down. Again, just anchor that over the top and then don't stretch the other end. And that should help that underlying tape stick on just a little bit better if Albie is actually going out riding with that.